Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to save chat in Snapchat. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Snapchat. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on chat. Then the next thing you need to do is to select a contact that you want to save their chat. So I'm going to simply click on this contact right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click and hold down on the chat that you want to save. So I'm going to simply click and hold down this. And this is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on save in chat. Just like what you see right here. The chat has been saved and it will never be deleted. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to save chat in Snapchat. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.